Alright, so today we're going to make a prosperity bowl. Here we have a bowl of rice mixed with cinnamon. Then we've got all these little ingredients. And tiger's eye and adventurite to put in there. Some of my grandma's hair. And lots of money. And this money spell that I got off of a candle. And here, this was my grandma's little bowl, and I'm just using it because I want to honor her, and this is just, she was a very prosperous and generous person. So let's begin. So you're going to want to clean out the bowl and all like the bad energy or any whatever. Just make it nice and clean with the little incense. This is specifically money drawing incense, so I think that's going to be real helpful. Once you've cleaned out the bowl, then we're going to take some gold glitter because gold attracts prosperity and it's just really, really, really pretty. We're going to open that, sprinkle lots of glitter in there. It just looks more magical and it's going to attract more money and opportunities. So once you got the glitter in there, you're going to take your cinnamon and your rice. Oh no. This is why you put a towel down, so you don't make a mess. You're just going to put that in there. Let me clean up this mess. After this, I'm going to take some of this money rice that I got from my lovely friend Bianca, and you see the bag's kind of falling apart, but I'm going to put some of that in there too. Not all of it, just a little bit. Oh no, another mess. It's all right, we're cool. Shake it up a bit. Put in some more glitter because you can never have enough glitter. Cute. Take some sage and throw it in there. You got some bay leaves, some rosemary, and I also like to put in little chunks of cinnamon, and or if you have cinnamon sticks, just throw them in there. Put in some tiger's eye crystals, some adventurine. Then I'm going to take this little piece of my grandma's hair that I cut and just put it in there. Take your little money petition. You can write your own if you don't have one printed out or whatnot. And you're going to fold it towards yourself 3 times. And go like this. And then, basically bury that in there. After focusing on your intention, take some money and again fold it towards yourself 3 times. If you're using paper money, it can be any amount. It's just representative of prosperity. And again, we're going to dig that, put that, bury it. And then, because we want extra money, we're going to take some coins and put them in there. Also, I forgot to mention at the beginning of the video, we're going to use some different oils that I got from Art of the Root. And we're just going to use it to anoint all around the bowl. Got manifestation. I like to go around it 3 times because 3 is a magic number. Got some wealthy way oil. Again, 1, 2, 3. Some King Midas oil because we want everything we touch to turn into gold. And of course, some money drawing oil. Sprinkle a little bit more glitter, of course. Then you're going to take your money candle, which is of course glittery. I also got this from my friend Bianca. I'll leave in the comments how you can contact her if you want to purchase your own, but you can use any green candle. Light the candle and focus on your intentions. And also, I like to dig out a little hole in the bottom of the bowl so that I can drip some of the wax in there, so I can make the candle stick so it won't fall over and cause a fire. Once you got a nice little puddle of wax in there, then you just place the candle, hold it for a second until the wax dries at the bottom. And then there you go. Now you have your very own prosperity bowl, and you should see blessings coming your way very, very soon.